Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change your name on ClickUp. This is very simple and straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First thing you will have to do in order to change your name on ClickUp is going over to your profile picture, clicking on it, and then going down to settings, click on it. Now it will show you my settings, so just make sure you are here, and here it displays your full name. In order to change it, select it like so and change it to someone else. If you want to confirm the changes, just click on Save Changes down here. And now your name is changed. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.